Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, June 6, 2025. Michelle nag-update matapos makagat ng aso, no aggression, just an honest accident. Nagbigay ng bagong update ang beauty queen actress na si Michelle D tungkol sa kanyang kalagayan matapos makagat ng alagang aso sa mukha. Sa isang Instagram post, unang nilinaw ni Michelle na aksidente lang ang nangyari, lalo na't hindi naman naging agresibo ang kanyang fur baby. A morning full of supposed routine cuddles turned into a just my luck moment, bungad niya sa post. To be fair, my fur baby's tooth just happened to graze my face at the wrong place, wrong time. No aggression, just an honest accident, depensa pa ng beauty queen. Still my baby girl, dagdag pa ng Miss Universe Philippines 2023 title holder. Kasunod niyan ay nagpasalamat din si Michelle sa celebrity doctors na sina Vicky Bello at Hayden Ko sa mabilis na pagresponde at paggamot sa kanyang sugat. When it comes to things like this, acting fast truly makes all the difference. Wika niya sa IG. Aniya pa, yeah girl should be in tip-top shape sooner than you think. Thank you to everyone who's been sending love. Samantala, pinaalalahanan naman ni Dr. Bello ang publiko ukol sa kahalagahan ng anti-rabies at anti-tetanus vaccine tuwing may kagat o kahit gasgas mula sa hayop. Balak na ring bumalik ni Michelle sa klinik para sa mga susunod pang treatment sa kanyang mukha. It's our face. It's our puhunan, giit pa ni Michelle. Kung sakaling makagat ng aso, agad na hugasan ang apektadong bahagi ng katawan ng malinis na tubig, sabunin at banlawan. Pagkatapos ay magtungo agad sa pinakamalapit na health center o sa Animal Bite Treatment Center.
It's one of those times where you're not so excited to be at the doctor's because of what happened. I just got into a very freak accident this morning with one of my babies, my fur babies. And unfortunately, it compromised my face. This happened at 7 a.m. today. Of course, one of the first persons that I called was Doc Hayden. And I was like, Doc 911, what do I do? It's our face, it's our puhunan. So of course, he advised me to get my shots. And then now we're here, Bello, to save the day.
So guys, when you get scratched by your dog or even especially a stray dog, there is no cure for tetanus and for rabies. You will die for sure unless you get a complete set of shots. So those people who stop like on the second or third, you will still die. So good girl.
So if you've made it to watching this video, I am alive and well.
E-follow ang Instagram nila Michelle at Michelle D and Dr. Vicky at Victoria_Bello. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!